Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you all a makeup look. Now you can see I'm totally bare face, and I don't know how am I looking, but anyway. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all a makeup look. It's going to be a very simple, basic makeup look. I don't know how, like, which kind of makeup look I'm going to be creating, but it's going to be very simple makeup look. And plus I'm very nervous because I have never ever done a makeup look any time in my channel, nor on my previous channel, neither on my previous channel nor on this channel. So I'm very nervous today because I have never done a makeup look before. I mean makeup look video before. So yeah, I'm nervous for that, but if I make any kind of mistake, please forgive me guys, but I hope this video will be well. And if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new around here and if you are watching me for the first time, then please subscribe this channel. And yeah, you can follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I hope you all will like this video. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay. So guys, now as I'm with my barren face, so now I don't have anything on my face. So now I will just go and wash my face and do my skincare, then I will catch you up guys. So yeah, so now guys, I'm done with my skincare and now I will start my makeup. So the first thing that I will be using is a primer. So I will be using the pore minimizing primer from Oriflame. Now I will be showing you all the products and linking the products in the description box below if possible, so you can check out the description box below. So yeah, I will be using the pore minimizing primer by Oriflame first. One more thing guys, that I need to open my spectacles while doing my makeup, and I know that I don't look good after opening my spectacles, but I need to open my spectacles. I have taken a little bit of primer, as you can see. I don't need to take so much of the primer because taking really a little bit of primer just makes the makeup long lasting. So yeah, now I'm going to apply the primer. So guys, today I will not be doing a heavy makeup. I will be doing a very light and basic makeup. So first I will be doing my base makeup. So my primer is done and now I will be doing my foundation. So I have two foundations with me. Here are the two foundations. The first one is the Rimmel London Matte Perfection with SPF 20 and I'm in the shade 402 Bronze. And the second foundation is the Maybelline Newer foundation and I'm in the shade 302 Honey. So I'm going to mix these two foundation and make a match of my skin. So guys, I have applied the foundation all over my face and now I'm going to blend it with my blender. So yeah. Guys, I have blended my foundation well. I don't know whether it is visible on the camera or not, but my foundation is blended well. And as you can see, I have a few of my acne and pimples. So I'm going to hide them with the concealer, all them to give like a highlighting effect. So the concealer which I'm going to use are, I have two concealers here. I have this two concealer. The first one is, so both of these are from Swiss Beauty. So I have the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. So the first one is in the shade 04 Medium Beige and the second one is in the shade, I think, 02. I need to check it. Okay, so the first one is in the shade 04 Medium Beige and in the the second one is in the shade 01 Warm Beige. So I like to use the 01 shade. Warm Beige is like a shade darker than my tone and like almost like equal to my tone, you can see, and the shade 04 is like a shade even to my tone, like lighter than my tone. So I will be using first the shade 01 to hide my spots, and then I will be using the shade 04 to kind of give me like a highlighting effect. So yeah, let's do that. I will be using this 04 medium beach to highlight my few of my areas, few of my skin parts, like especially my T zone. So yeah. So guys, I have blended well the both of the concealers, the foundation and everything. I don't know whether it's making any difference on the camera or not, but I have blended well the concealer. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to set my face. So I will be using my face powder from Oriflame. So I will be showing it to you. So guys, I have set my face and now I will be moving to my eyes. So I will be creating a very simple eye look. So what I will be using this eye palette. This is the SFR color eye palette. This has 28 colors. This is the 28 color eyeshadow palette, and I have this Oriflame sap green, like a sand and green color small eyeshadow palette. So I will be mixing both of this, and I will be creating an a eye color. I don't know what shades I will be using, but maybe I will be creating a very light shade. So yeah, let's see what I will be using. I will be telling to you all guys everything. So guys, my eye makeup is done. I don't know how it has been, how it turned out, because I'm very bad at eye makeup. I'll show it to you in a closer view. So this is what my eyes look like. I have just given it like a reddish color at the back, outside and like a goldenish color at the inner corner, and inside is also the same thing. So yeah, that is what I have done. I don't know whether this video is doing well or not, but now I need to put the camera on charge because the mobile is running out of charge. So I will see you up guys in a bit. So guys, now I will be doing my brows. I will be basically just brushing them. So yeah, you can just see on the camera and brush it. I don't need even uh, mirror. I'm not brows. My brows are just naturally okay. So yeah, my brows are done. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put some kajal and some eyeliner. So I will be using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and I will be using the same kajal stick to put my eyeliner. So yeah, I'm done with the kajal, done with the eyeliner, and this is how it looks like. I think it looks pretty. I like it. I don't know whether the camera captures it or not, but yeah, I am liking it. Now it's time to contour my face and my nose and my jawline. So I'm using this Duo contour. I will be putting all the links and everything. I will be showing you it. So I will be using the Nikake New York Duo contour palette. So it has these two colors. You can see one is almost empty and one is still there. So it contains a light brown and a deep brown color. So I use both of them. Right now I will be using the light brown color to contour my face. So I will be taking like I don't have like a contour brush, so I will be taking a simple brush and be using it like a contour brush. I'll be taking it, patting off the excess, and yeah. And now it's time for me to contour my nose. So I will be using a flat brush to contour my nose, as you can see, like this, somewhat like this. Can you see it? So yeah, I will be using this. So I will be taking this color over here, and I will be taking some dusting of the excess, and I will be contouring my nose. And after that I'm going to mix it with a blender. So yeah, done with contouring my nose. I can't contour my nose actually so nicely, so however it is, I kind of like it. So yeah, done with contouring and everything. Now I will be putting some mascara. I don't usually put this mascara because this is okay, let me show you. So this is the Maybelline New York Hyper Curl mascara. This is the waterproof mascara, but today I will not be putting this mascara because I am not going anywhere outside, and I don't also need to I don't need now a waterproof mascara, so I am not going to put this mascara. Otherwise, this is a great mascara. I am just showing you this product. This is a great mascara, but today I am not going to. And now everything is almost done. Now I am going to use my blush and highlighter. So for blush, I am going to be using this Lakme Absolute Illuminating Shimmer Blick Blush Palette. So this is how it looks like. It is in the shade 01 Pink. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And for the blush, I'm going to be using the first color. It contains two blush color, one contour color and one highlighting color. I'll be using the first blush color. Let's use the blush now. Let's apply it. So I'll be taking the blush, dusting off the excess and apply it on my cheeks. So yeah, I'm done with my blush, and now I will be using highlighter. I'll be using, I don't know whether the blush can be seen or not, but yeah, I have used the blush. Okay, let me use some more blush. Okay, done with applying the blush. Now I will be using the highlighter. So yeah, let's apply the highlighter. I'll not open my specs now. Also over here and over here, and I also need to apply highlighter over here. So my highlighter is also done, and now the last thing that is left is to apply a lipstick. So the lipstick that I'm going to wear today is I'm actually confused. So I have two lipsticks here. I have a lot of lipsticks, but today I'm going to be wearing either of these two. So I have two lipsticks here. These are the SQ Stay Quirky Minis lipstick. So as you can see, these are both of them, and I really like this lipstick. This is the mini version of them, and one is in the shade You Are My Girl Crush 9, and the other shade I just forgot, it just got removed, but today I think I will be using this shade. So first I will be applying a little bit of lip liner. So the lip liner is the Glam 21 L15 Deep Maroon Lip Liner. So I will be applying lip liner. I have already applied Vaseline. So first I will be applying my lip liner. And now I will be, if your lips are dry, always apply a lip balm, then use a tissue to trap off the excess lip balm, and then use a liquid lipstick. Guys, I also used a setting spray. So it was this Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray, but I forgot to shoot that part. Anyway, so my makeup is done, and now I will show it to you. But my hairs are really greasy because I have oiled them before, like yesterday. Yesterday I oiled them. But yeah, anyway, I will show it to you, show my full makeup now. So yeah, let's take a quick montage of my makeup. So guys, this was my video on my makeup look. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I don't know how this video turned out because this was my first makeup look video, but if you like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and also if you are new around here, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon, and all the product links will be down in the description box below and you can check it out. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. I will put my Instagram handle in the description box below, so please check out my description box. And yeah, how much you like my makeup look, please comment me down below. I love to read your comments, so please comment me down below. And yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, love you guys, bye bye.